Here we go. It's about 7 a.m. The Ausländer. Today I did something different. I wanted to not drive, but use full-on public transportation to get somewhere. This was kind of spontaneous, but the goal was to get to the Black Forest in a town called Triberg. I didn't know this, but the Black Forest is only a small part of Germany. Initially, I assumed all of Bavaria was the Black Forest. Boy, was I wrong. I missed the 7 o'clock bus. I think I want to try the 7:24 bus. I missed the 8 o'clock train, so I'm here all alone waiting an hour for the next train. Going by is a cargo train. Ooh, okay. After about 5 hours, I finally get to Triberg in the Black Forest. What sucks is that I have to walk another mile to get to the city. According to their brochure, Triberg claims they have Germany's highest waterfall at 524 feet in height. But it's not like Hawaii waterfalls where it spills from the top and hits the bottom. It's more of a multi-tiered waterfall. That's a nice picture there. To get in was €8 or about 10 US dollars. I'm really not used to paying for exercise. This is a beautiful area. The trail got steep and slippery from all the waterfall spray. Eventually I got to this checkpoint and I tried to talk to the worker at this checkpoint, but communication problems. Anyway, I asked her das was, which means that's it in German, and she said ja, which means yes, so I guess that was it. Even though it looked like you could progress further on the trail. Time was short since it took me so long to get here. Triberg is also known for their Black Forest Cuckoo Clocks. Even though I want to buy a Cuckoo Clock, they are pricey. For example, a small one will cost you about 300 US dollars. It was about 3 p.m. and I knew it would take about 6 hours to get back. So I started walking toward the bus station. Even though Triberg has a train station, I don't think it connects to a main line. So I had to catch a bus to a town called Haskel. This is Haskel. And then so from here I could catch the train back home. Some nice running path here, man. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed Triberg in the Black Forest. And as the Germans say, tschüss.